morning everyone. I, Arviloda, the student of 4th C, is going to do a role play on river on the topic water is life. I am a river. I am invaluably useful to men, animals and plants. Water is a basic feature of our life. One cannot live without water. I provide this basic stuff to all of human living on this earth. I am one of the biggest source of water since man's life depends so much upon me. It is his bounden duty to keep me in perfect health and pollution free. It is my humble request to you all to keep me save water by saving me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello friends, I am Anna Jan of class 4th C. Can you guess who I am? Yes, I am a drop of water. Now you will think one drop of water is of no use. But no, every drop of water is very precious. I am the reason of the survival. I makes life possible on earth. I am present in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Both humans and animals need me in various activities like drinking, bathing, etc. I am also using agriculture and in industries. But nowadays, everyone has taken me for granted. People are wasting me and polluting me. I am getting vanished from rivers. There would be no life possible on earth without me. So it's high time that you need to find methods to conserve me. It is the responsibility of you all to save me. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Shireen Verma from class 4th C. Today I will role play about water is life. Water is life because we cannot live without water. We can save water by using a mug of water to wash vehicles. To save water, we can also close the tap while brushing your teeth. Plants also need water to stay alive. We use water every day for many activities such as drinking, bathing, watering plants. Have you ever wondered where we get this water from? We get water from wells, lake, ponds, river. One drop of water is more than thousands of gold. Thank you. Have a nice day. Save water, save life.
Good morning, ma'am. Hello, friends. I am water. I am the most abundantly available resource on earth. Water constitutes 70% of earth, and ironically, water also constitutes 70% of human body. So if I have to say there is no life without water, it won't be wrong. In the entire solar system, water is available on earth, and other planets don't have water and they don't have life or living being other. Water cycle keeps the life cycle going on earth by providing us with the food to sustain life and atmosphere to protect from harsh universe climate, and yet I am being wasted as non-essential. Just like seawater is not fit for drinking, it is essential for you to treat me with respect if you want me to treat your life well. Thank you.
Remember, a drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Among 5 elements of life, water has its own importance for the survival of living beings and maintaining ecosystem. Water is required everywhere. Unfortunately, like other parts of the world, India is also suffering from water scarcity. Climate change, natural calamities, human consumption, overuse, etc. are some of them. Without water, the earth will be barren like it. We have to stop wasting and polluting water. To save our Mother Earth, we should follow these practices. My dear friends, listen the alarm of time. Join hands and start saving water.
My dear friend, my name is Gaurav Mittal and I study in 4C. Today I am going to do a role play on water is life. We need water to live, plant need water and animal need water. Water is one of our basic needs. We need water to keep us clean. We need water for drinking. We need water for washing clothes, utensils. We need water for washing fruits and vegetables. Before eating them, we need water for washing our clothes. Without water, there is no life. We all can't live without water. A man can survive eating far food several days, but without water, no one can live. So we should save water. Save water, save life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, my name is Lakshi Sharma. I read in class 4C. Today I am telling you about water is life. Water is life. It is most precious and important resource that makes the life possible. The earth is made green happily and growing because of water. In fact, it is true that no water, no life on this planet. Water is useful for us in multiple ways in the daily life. Our Mother Earth will not exist without water. Human beings will die without water. Water is required for all living things in the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
चलो